Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to connect HUION Keydial KD200 with Bluetooth on your PC. So as you guys see, I'm already in the desktop, and all I'm gonna do just go and search for the settings. I just need to look wherever I see it, and I will just need to look for the apps. As you see, there's the settings. I'm gonna go to the devices, and then I'm going to click on the Bluetooth or other devices and click Bluetooth. Click the first option, and on your tablet all you need to do is just click the power up button for several seconds until you see the blue light, and once you see, you should just start connecting to it and just press on it, and as you see, your device is ready to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.